They are some of the youngest victims of violence.
And they're now offering up their stories as part of a statewide contest aimed at stopping the danger of Chicago's streets. It's tonight's Art Norman Chicago.
Did you know that my family has 116 years of experience with gun violence, and no one in my family is 116 years old?
Verdell Taylor is a student at St. Sabine Academy on the south side of Chicago. He is one of 18 students from around the state of Illinois, from the 1st grade to the 12th grade, who are expressing their feelings through artwork, a poem, or an essay. This is Yazhan Kennedy. He is an elementary school student from East St. Louis.
I want my neighborhood free from all the gun violence and all the guns, so I'm asking you to make a plan. Please, somebody, anybody help. We need to take a stand.
The common thread in the contest held by the Illinois Council Against Handgun Violence is to stop the violence. And as for the St. Sabina student, his essay is about the number 116 because it represents the ages of all his friends who died this year.
My cousin's father, Lionel, died in 2005. He was at the train station selling clothes and gym shoes for extra money when 3 teenagers robbed him and shot him in the chest over a pair of gym shoes. He was only 41 years old.
The artwork is stunning because it represents what many don't want to see anymore. These young people blame the taking of innocent lives on guns.
Stop the violence. If I get over the fence, then we can make it.
His solution to stopping the violence is represented in a song. He sings about his guardian angel.
And I know he watches me. Thank you.
Art Norman, NBC 5 News.
Our thanks to Art. The contest is now into its 13th year, and today's MC was our very own Marianne Ahern. You can listen to more solutions to gun violence by going to our website, NBC5.com.